On one side, you have tortillas. Simple, fresh, made with just a few good things. On the other, the same tortillas in big stores with ingredient lists as long as your arm. One is real food, the other is full of strange chemicals. It feels like two different worlds, but they're both sold right next to each other and you need to know which is which. So, what's the real story here? Why are so many tortillas on the shelf so different from the real thing? It really comes down to one thing: making them last forever. To keep those tortillas soft and fresh looking for weeks or even months in a store, big companies add a whole list of chemicals. We're talking about preservatives, dough conditioners, and hidden sugars that have absolutely no business being in a simple flatbread. And some of these ingredients are seriously concerning. You'll find things like hydrogenated oils, which are terrible for your heart and cause inflammation, or preservatives like sodium metabisulfite, which can trigger really bad allergic reactions, especially if you have asthma. Even the #1 tortilla maker in the US, Mission Foods, uses an ingredient that some studies have linked to negative effects on the brain. The crazy part is that we buy these thinking we're making a quick, easy meal. But if you're wrapping healthy chicken or veggies in a tortilla packed with junk, it kind of defeats the purpose. And most of us just don't know. We see a familiar brand name, a package we've bought for years, and we trust it. Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain. We are going to expose 8 of the worst tortilla brands you should avoid. Then, to make sure you have great options, we'll show you 4 brands that are doing it right, with clean, simple ingredients you can feel good about. You'll know exactly what to look for and what to leave on the shelf. Let's get started. Before we continue, hit subscribe so you never miss the latest updates. #1, Mission Super Soft Flour Tortillas. Alright, let's get into the worst offenders. This one might come as a surprise because Mission is the #1 tortilla brand in the entire country. They're in almost every grocery store, so it's easy to assume they're a good choice. But when you flip over the package, the story changes. First, you'll see hydrogenated soybean oil, one of those bad fats we know contributes to inflammation and heart problems. Then there's an ingredient called sodium aluminum phosphate. A 2018 study linked the aluminum in these types of additives to negative effects on the brain. They also add in dextrose, which is just a fancy name for sugar. It's a perfect example of a popular brand that sells a heavily processed product, filled with red flags that can ruin an otherwise healthy meal. #2, Guerrero Flour Tortillas. This brand is another huge player, and they really lean into that taste of home marketing. Because of that, a lot of people see it as a trusted, authentic choice. But the real story is on the back of the package. You'll find a shockingly long list of ingredients, which is always a huge red flag. Think about it. Real, simple tortillas just don't need that many things in them. This list tells you it's a heavily processed product, built for an extra long shelf life, not for your health. It's packed with various dough conditioners and chemical preservatives. These aren't there to make it taste better. They're there so the tortillas can sit on a store shelf for weeks or even months without going bad. It's just disappointing to see from a brand that so many people trust. #3, Old El Paso Flour Tortillas. This is another one of those classic brands that people trust. It's consistent, it's available everywhere, and honestly, a lot of people think it tastes great. But that familiar taste comes with an ingredient you should always avoid: hydrogenated oils. These aren't just regular fats. They're a type of trans fat that has been directly linked to body-wide inflammation and serious heart problems. It's the kind of cheap industrial ingredient that has absolutely no business being in a simple tortilla. On top of that, you'll find the usual suspects, like potassium sorbate to preserve it, and a whole list of dough conditioners to keep the texture just right. It's a perfect example of a heavily processed product designed to sit on a shelf for months. It might be a classic, but the ingredients are a huge red flag. #4, Great Value Flour Tortillas. Walmart's house brand is known for its low prices, but when it comes to tortillas, that low price comes at a cost. Just like the last brand we looked at, these are made with hydrogenated soybean oil. This isn't just a simple fat, it's an unhealthy trans fat that's directly linked to body-wide inflammation and serious heart problems. But it doesn't stop there. To give them that incredibly long shelf life, they're loaded with a ton of chemical preservatives. Each additive might seem small on its own, but they all add up. What you're left with is a product that was clearly built in a lab, not prepared in a kitchen. It's no surprise that in taste tests and health rankings, great value tortillas are consistently at the bottom of the list. Number 5. La Banderita Soft Taco Flour. Tortillas. This one is a huge fan favorite, a staple in kitchens all across the country. But behind its popular reputation, there's a secret hiding in plain sight right on the ingredient list. La Banderita tortillas contain a long list of chemical dough conditioners and preservatives. These aren't there for taste or nutrition. They're designed to make the tortillas last forever on a store shelf, not to benefit you. One of the key additives is potassium sorbate. This is an artificial preservative put in specifically to stop mold from growing. While that might sound useful, it's just another unnecessary chemical added to what should be a very simple food. It's a classic case of a brand putting its own logistics and shelf life way ahead of your health. Even if some people praise the taste, the chemical load tells a very different story. Number 6. Chi-Chi's Flour Tortillas. This brand leans heavily on its restaurant-style marketing, trying to make you think you're getting something special and authentic. But this is a perfect example of a marketing trick designed to hide the truth. Once you ignore the flashy label and look at the actual ingredients, the restaurant illusion completely falls apart. You'll find a familiar list of artificial preservatives like calcium propionate and potassium sorbate, designed to fight off mold for months on a supermarket shelf. They also rely on a cocktail of dough conditioners to create an unnaturally soft and foldable texture that real tortillas just don't have. It's a classic bait and switch. They sell you the idea of a premium product, but deliver a standard, factory-made tortilla loaded with chemicals. Number 7. Market Pantry Flour Tortillas. When you're shopping at Target, you might notice their Good and Gather tortillas, which proudly state they have no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. It seems like a great, healthy choice. But right next to them is Target's other store brand, Market Pantry. And on this package, all those healthy promises have mysteriously vanished. The label is completely silent. That silence is a massive red flag. When a company markets one of its brands as clean, you have to ask what's going into the other one. They're not going to advertise that it's full of dough conditioners and chemical preservatives, but the fact that they can't say it's free of them tells you everything. So while these might seem like a simple grocery staple, the lack of transparency is the real problem. You're left to assume it's made with the same cheap, lab-made ingredients we've seen in other brands. Number 8. Food Club Flour Tortillas. This is one of those classic store brands you'll find in grocery stores all over the country. And just like many of the others we've looked at, the focus here isn't on real ingredients. It's on a long shelf life. That means they're often loaded up with things you'd never use in your own kitchen. We're talking about factory-made oils like hydrogenated soybean oil, which is linked to inflammation and heart problems. They also use chemical preservatives and dough conditioners to keep them soft for months. One common ingredient is sodium metabisulfite, a chemical that can cause serious allergic reactions, especially in people with asthma. And don't forget the hidden sugars like dextrose. Each one of these additives might seem small, but they add up to a product that was clearly built in a lab, not a kitchen. So that wraps up our list of the tortillas to avoid, but it's not all bad news. Now that we know what to watch out for, let's finally talk about the brands that get it right. So what actually makes a tortilla good? It all comes down to a super short ingredient list. We're talking about real food you can actually recognize and pronounce. Let's get into the first brand on our list that truly gets it right. Number 9. Mi Rancho Organic Flour Tortillas. First up on our good list is a brand that's all about getting back to basics. Mi Rancho's whole approach is about simplicity, and it really shows on their ingredient label. When you look at the back of the package, the list is incredibly short and easy to read. It's made with simple, wholesome stuff you'd actually recognize from your own kitchen. You won't find any of those questionable additives, weird dough conditioners, or any added sugar. And because they use organic flour, you know it's coming from wheat that was grown without a bunch of harsh chemicals and pesticides. It's a cleaner start for a cleaner product. The result is a tortilla that's not just better for you, but also tastes fantastic. People say they're delicious and thick, and they cook up really well for any meal. It's a perfect example of how simple ingredients make the best food. Number 10. Vista Hermosa. Flour tortillas. This is another brand that completely gets it. They operate on a simple principle. Tortillas should be made from real food you can actually recognize. When you look at their ingredients, you'll see a super short list. There's no long list of chemicals you can't pronounce, no weird dough conditioners, and none of those hydrogenated oils. It's just clean, simple stuff. This really matters because now more than ever, people are flipping over the package and actually reading what's inside. Brands like Vista Hermosa are a direct response to that. They're making tortillas for people who care about what they're putting in their bodies. They're built for health and amazing flavor, not for sitting on a store shelf for 6 months. It's a return to tradition, proving that simple quality ingredients make all the difference. Number 11. Maria and Ricardo's Organic Flour Tortillas. This brand is all about giving you a traditional tortilla that's still incredibly clean. It was actually started by a brother and sister, Maria and Ricardo, who missed the real tortillas from their hometown in Mexico. They were sick of seeing store shelves packed with options full of preservatives, so they decided to make their own. When you look at their tortillas, you'll see they focus on healthy, simple ingredients. The big deal here is that they're organic. This means everything inside is grown without a bunch of questionable chemicals. You won't find any of those weird dough conditioners or artificial preservatives designed to make a product last forever. Instead, you get a delicious, high-quality tortilla that tastes amazing because it's made from wholesome ingredients. It proves that a company can care more about your health than about a long shelf life. Number 12. Siete Almond Flour Tortillas. This brand is a fantastic option, especially if you're looking for something that's totally grain-free. Siete has built its whole reputation on an incredibly simple ingredient list. It's just real food you can actually recognize and pronounce. You won't find any of the weird dough conditioners or preservatives here. These tortillas are proudly gluten-free, dairy-free, and non-GMO. And the story behind the brand is really powerful. The co-founder, Veronica, was dealing with multiple autoimmune conditions and wanted to create food she could enjoy without all the chemicals. So she made her own tortillas from simple whole ingredients like almond flour. So now that we've seen the best and the worst, what's the final takeaway? So what's the real story here? After looking at all these brands, it's clear the difference isn't just about taste. It's about what's actually in your food. If you want to keep uncovering hidden truths about your food and stay ahead of the tricks the big companies play, then make sure to stick around. Subscribe to the channel and keep this journey going with us. There's always more to uncover. That's it for today. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates you won't want to miss.